Based on the idea that an educated public is a safer public, WeatherSTEM has created various educational resources to help students, teachers, and those interested in weather better understand core concepts and explore how weather impacts their everyday lives. There are two ways to access WeatherSTEM's educational products. The first is from the main WeatherSTEM page. The second is from any of the WeatherSTEM station pages. The WeatherSTEM educational portal contains a wealth of information and has been designed to help the user search through the content to discover various resources. This video will provide an overview of the available tools, lessons, and materials that are available through WeatherSTEM Scholar. For detailed information on practical ways to use WeatherSTEM Scholar in the classroom, please refer to our additional videos. All of the educational resources developed by WeatherSTEM are aligned to the next generation Sunshine State Standards for Science, which were adopted by the Florida State Board of Education in February 2008. CPALMS is an online toolbox for information, vetted resources, and interactive tools that help educators effectively implement teaching standards. CPALMS is also the official source for the Florida Standard information. Visit the link below for more information. To view the various modules and their standard alignments, select the Browse by Standard button on the right-hand side of the page. Another window will appear with a list of folders. Most of the modules fall in the following categories: health education, English and language arts, mathematics, physical education, science, and social studies. By selecting the folder, it will expand and show the grade assignments for each of these standards, followed by the body of knowledge, big ideas, and a short description. Links to the WeatherSTEM modules that contain activities and content under these standards are provided and will open in a new tab when selected. Some standards may only have one resource listed, and others can have up to 5 more that are linked. The title slides for each WeatherSTEM Scholar educational module is displayed in a grid view by default. While the title conveys an overview of the content, more detailed information is displayed by clicking the Show Item Info button. The tiles expand, and a short description, aligned standards, target grade level, and keywords are listed below each module. This quick reference can be used when determining if a given module will align within a current subject being taught. Another way to display the module information is by selecting the list view. This view provides some of the same information displayed in the gridded view, but just in a different format. In the search box, type in any weather or climate-related term, and those educational models that are tagged with the keywords will sort out of all available lessons and move to the top of the page. Typing in the word rain reduces the number of modules from 172 to 18 specific resources that have content focused on rainfall. Entering the word solar sorts out 36 unique lessons with information on solar radiation and how it applies to various topics, such as air quality or wine production. When more than one term is entered, the search tool will further narrow down the number of results. On the left-hand side of the page, there are tabs that provide an additional way to search the WeatherSTEM Scholar content. Under the Categories tab, there are a list of various ways to sort the modules. They include grade bands, resource type, subject, sensor focus, and audience. Modules can be identified by the different types of resources, such as interactives, lessons, lesson plans, or videos. The majority of the content within WeatherSTEM Scholar falls under science as a main subject. The main audience for the WeatherSTEM Scholar modules are students and teachers, but the materials can be used by anyone that has an interest in weather. The grade bands are based on the Florida Next Generation Sunshine State Standards for Science. Kindergarten through 5th grade fall under elementary school. 6th through 8th grade are considered middle school, with 9th grade and on as part of high school. Selecting each grade band will cause the WeatherSTEM Scholar platform to identify pertinent educational content and shift it to the top of the page. Each WeatherSTEM Scholar module has been tagged to various sensors from the weather station. The sensor and the data it collects are highlighted throughout the content. Clicking on the sensor will cause the platform to filter out the tagged content associated with the instrument. Selecting Soil Moisture Probe causes the search tool to pull 6 lessons, including a lesson on weather in corn and weather in citrus. Under the Topics tag, all of the keywords that have been assigned to the WeatherSTEM Scholar content are listed. There are more than 250 terms, and selecting one will once again cause the tool to sort out tagged modules so they appear at the top of the page. As a part of an informal education initiative, WeatherSTEM has highlighted nearly 200 climate and weather-related terms on its Facebook page since 2015. These terms range from commonly used words by broadcast meteorologists such as nor'easter, polar vortex, and shelf clouds, to lesser-known terms such as grapple, microburst, and virga. Each narrative explains the definition and breaks down the science behind the processes or events. In most posts, either data or images from WeatherSTEM stations accompany the narrative to help illustrate its real-world application. As WeatherSTEM's network expanded outside of Florida and into new states, lessons were created to describe the geography, climate, and extreme weather experienced in different areas as part of a state climate series. The series includes most of the states in the southeastern United States, along with a few select states in the Deep South, Midwest, and Northeast. Lessons in this series provide an overview on the geography and geographical influences that help define and drive the climate and weather of each state. Within the lesson, there are interactive charts, maps, graphics, and precipitation data for the state. There are also narratives describing extreme events observed in the state, including information on winter weather, flooding, and droughts. In 2015, WeatherSTEM started the development of a high school meteorology course. This introductory meteorology course combines cross-disciplinary concepts from science and math and integrates it into interactive lessons. Built from the collaborative effort of scientists and educators, the course covers the fundamentals of meteorology and emphasizes the physical and chemical processes that control and drive the Earth's weather and climate. The WeatherSTEM Meteorology course provided the foundation for the version currently served by the Florida Virtual School for a high school elective credit. You can learn more about this course and other offerings from the Florida Virtual School at the website listed below.